Enabling WP Fluent Forms user login requirement functionality only approves a registered user to fill up a form, not the unregistered users. To activate user login requirement, go to the settings and integration of the form you want login requirement enabled. Find scheduling and restrictions. Turn on the Require User to be logged in option. In the text field, define a message to be shown to your unregistered/logged out users. Now, save the settings to finish up the process. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.